Moderntec has prepared a lot. Through integrating electronics and IT, we have been building competitive and cutting-edge technologies for the future. In addition to new excellent technology certificate and number of domestic and foreign patents, MOU and NDA with government agencies and numerous companies are also established. Moderntec has developed a new concept EV charging system. The world's first intelligent EV charging system offers the environment where both the solar power generation and energy storage devices can maximize the efficient power use. It can reduce charging time by 30% with implementation of V2G and V2X technology. Novel idea of Moderntec's EV charging system is consisting of cabinet and dispensers. It applies the efficient power distribution technology by Moderntec only. Optimum power distribution is achieved within the contract power, allowing standby power saving and simultaneous charging. We pursue the efficient use of power. Also, it shares parking spaces with normal vehicles. We have solved the difficulty of securing the parking space for electric vehicles. Moreover, EV charging can be managed and monitored through mobile for users' convenience. By releasing the world's first robot arm charger system, we are proud to be the best EV charger manufacturer with advanced technology. We are growing as a global leader, not only in South Korea, but also overseas. Moderntec presents a new paradigm for EV charging station.